Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the saucy chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the saucy chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the saucy chef. Today I wanted to try this new cornbread mix. It's from Old El Paso. It's cinnamon churro. The ingredients that goes into it, it'll be either a half a cup of milk or a half a cup of water and 1 egg. To a bowl, I'm going to add in my cornbread mix. Then I'm going to add my egg and also my milk. And we're going to mix that until everything is well combined. Okay guys, once everything is well combined, you want to get a non-stick cooking spray. I'm using Baker's Joy baking spray with flour, and I'm also going to be using a muffin pan. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my muffin pan with the non-stick spray. Okay guys, I filled up a squeeze bottle with my cornbread mixture, and we're just going to go ahead and begin to fill our muffin cups up. You want to heat your oven to 400 degrees. Now they're ready to go into our oven for 18 to 21 minutes. Okay guys, our cinnamon churro cornbread muffins are done. So I'm going to let them cool off for a minute, then remove them from the pan. Okay guys, look at these. They smell so good. They came out perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and cut into one. Look at that, nice and moist. So I'm going to go ahead and taste it and let you guys know how they are. Okay guys, from 1 to 10, I will give this a 10. I will buy it again. It tastes really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.